Hello guys again and welcome back to another unboxing, viewing and testing, and today I have this Xbox wireless controller from Microsoft. This is the carbon black. You can find out in other colors, white, blue, red, volt, and some special editions I have seen online like the Daystrike Camo Special Edition and the Microsoft 20th Anniversary Special Edition. This was released on summer 2020 and it is compatible with Xbox X and S, Xbox One, Windows 10 and 11, Android and iOS. Well, nice all that. Let's open to see what we have inside. I will use it on my desktop, playing Mortal Kombat and Doom maybe, yeah, why not, and install it onto my laptop and see how it can perform at my laptop with a Bluetooth connectivity and to my smartphone. Nice box, 100% recycle, and there is the controller. Included we've got the two Duracell 2A 1.5 volt batteries, some paper, Xbox.com accessories app. You need to download from Microsoft. This app I will show you, and you can get a firmware update and some other settings. Microsoft, we've got the product regulatory guide, okay, limited warranty agreement, perfect, nothing else out of the box. Oh, nice, looks nice, looks so premium, and it feels nice to my hand. Nice, I like it, nice grip. We've got this updated hybrid D-pad, up and down, left and right. Use it to interact with games and apps. We've got the share button, that is a new on Microsoft controller, share button, that it is. By pressing, you can capture game clips, screenshot, and then share them with friends. Here we have the Xbox wireless and Bluetooth button technology for wireless gaming on console, PC, mobile phone and tablets. Just press it for 3 seconds, goes to the pair mode, and you can connect any Bluetooth device and your Xbox console. Here we've got the left bumper and the right bumper. Use it to interact with games and apps. And we've got on the trigger, the same thing. It depends what game are you playing. Next we've got the left and right stick. It is a joystick, small joystick. And again, you can use it to interact with games and apps. It depends the game. Next we've got the view button. The function, it depends the game or the app you are playing. Next it is the menu button. You can use this button to access game and app menu and options, like settings or help. And of course the X button, Y button, B button and A button. And use it to interact with games and apps. And of course with a console interface. And next we've got the Xbox button. It can illuminate white and it has multiple functions. When the controller is off, you can just press it and turns on the controller. And even it can turn on the console if your console is not on. You can do many things. Down here we've got the expansion port. You can use it to connect other accessories such as an Xbox One stereo headset adapter. And you've got near of the expansion port the 3.5mm port. Use it to connect compatible audio devices. And of course at this side we've got the Type-C. That means you can connect the Type-C cable and connect to your laptop, desktop, and playing games from this Type-C connection. It is very fast, no lag. I think it will be wisely to use a Type-C when you're playing games at your desktop. And of course here we've got the compartment for the batteries. Connect. If you want to connect it to your desktop, you can use, as I said, the Type-C. You don't need the batteries. It will power on this controller from the Type-C cable. Same for the laptop. You can only use the batteries if you want to connect with a Bluetooth, let's say smartphone, tablet, and of course with your console. And this battery, it can last up to 40 hours of gaming. That should be enough. Now let's connect it to my PC and download the app. Connect it to my desktop. Vibration, and we've got the white button on. Perfect. Xbox wireless controller, configure, new profile, save. Choose a button to map or press and hold the button. Okay, I'm pressing the X. Okay, press the button you want to map it to. B. Perfect. Swap sticks. This will swap the stick movement only. Okay, got it. Invert right stick axis. Y. Swap trigger. Turn on vibration, turn off vibration, vibrate the controller. You can restore to default. Now let's go back. Okay, you can edit. You can delete. You can rename the profile. Now let's go back. No update available. Continue. Searching for update. Firmware update, already done that. And it's flashing the white button. No updates needed. Next. Vibrate this controller. Yep, it's vibrating. Turn on Copilot. Copilot is only available when 2 or more controllers are turned on. Got it. Let's go back. And here we can start test. Pressing buttons. All the buttons are working. Yep. Up and down. Perfect. And exit. And by pressing the X button here, well, there we've got a menu on my desktop. Capture, audio, performance, and you can control all that with your Xbox wireless controller. And with a joystick, of course, it is your choice. Another feature for your desktop. Well guys, that was all about this app and how you can use it. I think it will be more useful for a firmware update. Let's move on for gaming. Now, if you want to use it and play games with your smartphone, you can use the Bluetooth connectivity. Go add your Bluetooth connection on your smartphone. Then by just press this button for 3 seconds, you can see it's flashing the Xbox button. And we can see here Xbox wireless controller. Connect. Pair. And that was all connected. Now for playing at your smartphone, you need to download the Xbox Game Pass. Choose your game, let's say Titanfall 2. Install 2. And you need to buy a subscription. 1 month it is £1 for the Ultimate. For console is $7.99 it says, and £1 for PC. Sorry you can't subscribe in this app, okay? I don't care so much because I will use it just for playing to my desktop this controller. I have downloaded some games from the Google Play Store, but again it was not compatible. You need to download the Xbox Game Pass. I have connected on my laptop and the connection was very fast with no problem. And now playing Mortal Kombat 11 at my desktop. I can say I have enjoyed gaming with this Microsoft Xbox controller. It was fun and it was very easy to control. So many options, so many buttons. You need to exercise, of course, yourself, because if you are playing for a long time with your keyboard, definitely going from your keyboard to a controller, you will feel a little strange at this area. That's why give yourself a time to learn this controller.
This only gets worse. Round 2, fight. Finish her.
And I have tried another game with cars. You can enjoy in that, see how it goes with the controller. It was fun and easy to use. Well guys, that was all about. If you want to buy it, well, it costs about 60 to 80 euros. It depends the market, the store, or you can find it on discount less. I'm sure you will enjoy. I like it a lot. It is very good manufacturer. It feels that you are holding something premium at your hand, and definitely you will enjoy it. And with all that guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you again for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. It takes only 1 second. Press the subscribe button, and that was all. Hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it, and share this video, you never know who may need it. I wish to all of you a happy new year. Let's 2022 be the best, the better year at all time.